Hello everyone, as we now started to enjoy Nindo Club stories being at our home with Mama Papa. So here's bringing another story for my kids. As we all are enjoying our favorite cartoons and our TV time at home, so ma'am thought why not to tell you a story about your favorite cartoon character so that it may makes you more excited for that. Yes? See, so now today ma'am has brought a storybook for you, and what it says is yes, your favorite Peppa Pig is in the story. Yes, and the name of the storybook is Peppa in Space. You know what space? Don't know. So we shall discover what is space, what is it actually, where is this Peppa and what are they wearing. All of these answers will be answered well when I'll tell you the story Peppa in Space. So shall we start? This is the cover page of the storybook and this is the back page. Okay, so let's start. What's happening? So, this is Peppa in Space. Can you see some stars twinkling? Can you see a round moon-like thing? Yes? Yes, so Peppa in Space. Space is actually an environment which is away from our house. We all watch the sky, we watch the stars, we watch the moon, we watch the sun, but we can never touch it. Can you touch the sky? Can you touch the moon? Can you touch the stars? No, but we all really want to touch them, to feel them, how it looks like when we go, at their place, when you go to a star, when you go to a moon, what will it be like? So we all want to go there, yes? Do you want to touch the moon? Yes. So Peppa and all her friends, they went to school one day. Okay, they all went to school, and the name of their teacher was Madame Gazelle. Yes, it was Madame Gazelle. And one day Madame Gazelle asked to all the students, Peppa, and Elephant, Edmund Elephant, and George, everyone. She asked that, can you tell me one question? Can you tell me one answer? And everyone said, what? And she asked, what is space? So Edmund Elephant, who was the most intelligent one, he said that space is something that is very away from us. It has the moon, it has the stars, and it has so many millions of things. सो स्पेस क्या होता है? मून, स्टार्स और बहुत सारे और प्लैनेट्स जहाँ पे हम, जैसे हम अर्थ पे रहते हैं वैसे वहाँ पे भी देयर सो मेनी थिंग्स. ओके, बट नो वन नोज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. डू यू वांट टू सी? So let's see what happened next. Oh wow! The moon! Shouted all the children. Yes, said Madame Gazelle. So when Edmund Elephant told that moon is also the part of the space and universe that is away from us, then everyone shouted, the moon! So everyone was so curious that wow, we can see the moon, we can feel the stars. How can we go there? So everybody wanted to get ready and wanted to go to the moon. So Madame Gazelle said, one of the friends of Peppa asked, can I live in the moon? Who was it? He was Danny Dog, and Danny Dog asked, can I live in the moon? So Madame Gazelle said, it is possible, but you would like to take a lot of things from Earth. You would need water, you would need oxygen, and lots of other things. Only then you can live on the moon, because we don't know if there is any water. And if we go on the moon and if we are thirsty, what will we drink? And how will we get bath? So, it's not so easy to live on the moon. Then what happened? Peppa asked Madame Gazelle, can I jump in muddy puddles on the moon? What is muddy puddles? Yes, guys, जो mud की puddles होती हैं, the way you want to jump outside in rain, they are full of mud and water and are dirty and filthy, but everyone enjoys jumping on the muddy puddles, like the Peppa Pig family, George and Mama Pig and Daddy Pig, everybody is enjoying the jumps. So, Madame Gazelle says, no, as there's no rain to make puddles, so you cannot jump on muddy puddles in the space, on the moon. So, Madame Gazelle said, if you want to know more about the moon, today you will get to know about it. So everybody was like, oh my god, moon! Shouted Pedro Pony. So are we going to the moon? So Madame Gazelle said, not exactly, but we are going to a space museum, and that will actually take you very much closer to the moon. So all the kids became excited as they had a picnic. They were all going to the museum with their friends and with Madame Gazelle, and they were all surprised and they were all excited. How do you become excited? Yippee! Yes, so in the same way, all the friends of Peppa were getting excited and they were all geared up to go closer to the moon. So they all sat in the bus. Yes, they all sat in their bus. And who was driving the bus? Miss Grampy Rabbit was driving the bus. So they all started sitting in the bus and taking their seats, and they were all super excited, and they start asking, how long will it take to get to the museum? When will we reach there? So Miss Rabbit replied, as soon as you finish your apple, Susie Sheep, we will reach the museum. And Susie Sheep said, I have finished my apple. Are we there? Have we reached there? So do you also get excited like this? When you are going somewhere, so you are so excited that you want to reach there in a jiffy. आपको है मुझे जल्दी से जल्दी वहाँ पहुँचा दो, because I want to reach very very quickly. Do you get excited like that? So in the same way, Peppa was also getting excited, and same was with Susie Sheep and every other friend. And they started singing some songs in the bus till they were reaching there. And which song were they singing? We are going to the moon, will we get there soon? We are going to the moon, will we get there soon? Okay, so as they were singing the song, the bus reached the Space Museum. Yes, it's finally reached the Space Museum. They arrived there and they met a real astronaut there, the Grampy Rabbit. So what happens when you go to moon, or when you go to far to the space, you have to wear some other clothes. These clothes are not fine for that weather. There may be more cold there, there will be more wind there, वहाँ पे हवा भी ज़्यादा हो सकती है, ठंड भी ज़्यादा हो सकती है, and many things will be different. So वहाँ जाने के लिए, for there is a separate space suit जो पहन के वहाँ जा सकते हैं. Okay, so all the kids were very excited and they wanted to feel how do astronauts go there, how do they go near the moon. And then somebody came in the museum and they said, hello fellow astronauts, our space training mission today will take us to the moon. The ride will be bumpy, but then you will get to know the moon. You will go to the moon and you will enjoy there. So all the kids became super excited and they were like, wow, we're going to the moon. Wow, we're going to the moon. We're going to sit in the spacecraft. They all wore their spacesuits and they all sat on their spacecraft seats. And it was like they started counting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Shh! And they all went to the space towards the moon. And when they were going towards the moon, in the way there were several other small planets that looked small, but they are very big. There were planets like Jupiter, Uranus, Mercury. Do you know in which planet we live? Yes, we live on a planet whose name is Earth. Yes? So there are several other planets. ऐसे बहुत और planets हैं, पर वहाँ पे कोई रह सकता है कि नहीं? You never know, because it is not easy to get there, to reach there. Okay, so they were all enjoying Mars. Wow, Mars is the cutest planet because it is of red color, and red color is many kids' favorite, isn't it? Yes. So then there was a bumpy ride. It was very fast also. There were giant leaps, and then at last all the kids were stepping out of the spacecraft. And when they were stepping out, they were all attached to rubber bands that were fastened by Grumpy Rabbit. These were special spacecraft rubber bands that all the kids were wearing. And what they were doing? They were having boing, bumping, jumping going on there. They were like doom, doom, doom. This was bumping going on there again and again. And then they were singing the songs with the bumping. They were enjoying themselves. Listen to our space tune. We are walking on the moon. Listen to our space tune. We are walking on the moon. So they were all enjoying walking on the moon. Can you see? They were all enjoying walking and jumping on the moon. They were so happy. And then Madame Gazelle said, "It's time to go back to Earth. It's time to go back to Earth." And so all the kids were like, no, we do not want to go. Oh, sighed the children. But then finally, they came back. Finally, they came back in their spacecraft. Can you see? They all are back. The adventure was almost over. But Madame Gazelle said, "Don't worry, kids. If you will become good astronauts one day, you can experience this again and again. You can go to the moon, you can play there, and you can learn a lot of things there." Yes? So every kid became very excited. They went back to their houses. Peppa also came back, and she told Daddy Pig that I had a great time today in the museum. We went to the moon. We really enjoyed. And they started dreaming. And what did she dream? George said that Papa, Daddy Pig, I want to be the first piggy who goes to Mars. Now, he got excited with Mars, the red planet, and he said, I want to be the first pig who goes to Mars. And see what they are dreaming in their dreams, Peppa and George. They have gone to Mars and they are enjoying themselves. So, do you all want to go to the moon? Do you all want to enjoy the space and the experience? So, enjoy your story, Peppa in Space. And ma'am is also sending you a worksheet to color. And that is for Peppa Pig coloring worksheet. And another thing with it, another assignment. And you all enjoy it. Okay? Bye-bye.